Welcome, guys, and thanks for being here. Day with full of news. For that reason, we are seeing that it spikes with the massive reactions and everything. So, well, this is the market conditions what we have for this beautiful Friday. No other option, just working with the conditions, and that's all. So let's see. My idea now it's used to be I start with the idea to open a sell position, but again, the price is going back. So let's see what we have. If we have a good reaction into the buy some into the long position. So I will prepare the long position for today. So let's see. It's all about the patience. Well, let me read the chat. Popeye's here. Momentum Master, welcome, my friend. Have nice is here. What just happened? Happened again is the news. The news is here. Daniel L. Hola, mi amigo, ¿cómo estás? ¿Todo bien? Pura vida. Y sí, recuerden ahí los likes, porfa. 300 personas viendo el stream y solo unos cuantos likes. Ahí sí me ayudan. So well, let's see. Hello, much from Marruecos. Perfect, my friend. Big hug for the people from Marruecos. This is what I read. Very likely like 5,000 will be broken. Tariff news. Yes, let me check about the tariff news. Tariff. Trump. Oi. Okay. They suspend all the tariff. They're illegal. Okay. So it's okay. We will see some retracement. We got another news too. Another news like the let me check. Well, like 30 minutes ago, we see the manufacturing global services new home sales. The CPI. Well, they for full of news. Well, this is the uh, this is the conditions what we have. Tariff, all the information there. Many. Okay, so very likely like 5,000 will be broken. Probably yes. Probably yes. But well, let's see. So well, guys, 400 people you see in the stream and just 60 likes. So let's road at least 150 likes. So help me with that. 150 likes, and we will continue. So we're waiting. Perfect. Almost 150 likes. I really appreciate that, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the good comments as well. Where is the signal? The signal is waiting. We are waiting. We are waiting. So, guys, nowadays, I just want to check um, here into the sun if we got something good or not. Let's see. We have two suns. Um, well, the only option is being patient, and that's all. For this week, we have six trades in gold, um, four with a really good pips, and two stops. Gonzalo Díaz, creo que irá a buscar eso antes de bajar 50.53, sí, probablemente. Por eso quiero abrir un poco ahí la cuenta, cerrar un poco ahí el retroceso, ver un poco ahí de. Vamos a ver si nos dejan aquí un poco de. Está empujando fuerte. ¿Cómo veo el Nasdaq? Sí, el Nasdaq está empujando fuerte. Ocupamos un retroceso. Ese es el punto. El Nas, ver ahí un retroceso. Voy a mandar las. Voy a mandar las actualizaciones en NAS. En el Discord. Entonces, Lewis is here. Welcome, my friend. Okay, it's giving us really good confirmation. So, well, it will be a win today. That's the idea. Yeah, I fell asleep yesterday, but that was the same. The structure was like in a consolidation, so I sleep um with that consolidation. So between to the sun, so I felt so tired, I fell asleep, and I didn't say nothing, so I just sleep. Sorry, but yes. Okay, guys, 30 likes for the 150 likes. So help me with that. I appreciate that. The plan for today it's open a long position. Um, but let's see. Probably first we will touch the sell zone. Sorry, guys, I was on mute. I was on mute, guys. Sorry. So tell me, what do you prefer, to the long or the short? Let me read your thoughts. Missed that big fall more than from the 50s, 60s. Yes, but that was for generated for the news, my friend. That was generated for the news, and for that reason we fall that high. Of course, long, yes, but at this point it looks very impossible to open a long position. Just if the price, for example, at this point the price break the no, it looks very far. To break the 50-10, 51-10 looks so far. Sure, both. Okay, should we take a sell trade? Um, no, just waiting. Remember, here we need to wait the retrade, the confirmation, guys. The confirmation. It's possible. Termina subiendo, lo que el día es un pequeño retroceso antes de terminar la jornada. Sí, ya aquí estamos para ver. Esto fue Tokio, ¿verdad? Tokio. Y ahorita nos termina London y empezamos. Podría caer a los 50-34. Yo esperaría un retroceso por lo menos de los 49-95. Veremos. At the scalping that was shortening, well, we need to wait the confirmation, but the trend is yes, bullish. It's totally bullish. Um, yes, but well, as well, we need to clarify the candle confirmation for Nasdaq. I think it will generate another buy some. Thanks, my friend. Uh, Shares back. We're waiting 10 minutes. So, guys, I want to test something for nowadays for see the difference people who are seeing me. So for do like a pool, you want to know where you're from, guys? Where you from? Where you're seeing me? Okay, beautiful reaction here. So well, we have 8 minutes for clarify. Lithuania, perfect, my friend. Dubai, Patrick is from Somalia. That's nice. Morocco. Mhm. Nigeria, Iran, Kenya, Poland. That's great. Philippines. I'm from Costa Rica, guys. Costa Rica. Perfect, my friend, mi amigo. Pura vida. Verus de Costa Rica. Excelente. Ya tenemos varios de Costa Rica. Por lo menos cuatro. Jordania. Canada. Pakistan. India. That's great. Está muy molesto el oro últimamente con eso. Sí. Pero bueno, al menos aquí nos está dando una pequeña confirmación. Iron. Okay, perfect. Iron. Pakistan. Laurito es mi pastor, mi amigo. Gracias desde Chile. Tenemos ahí no blasfemar tanto. Pero todo bien, todo bien. Kenia. ah, India. Perfect. Mi amigo Daniel de Colombia. Excelente. Van a volver a Colombia. Argentina. Chile. South Africa. Afghanistan. Pakistan. Jack Daniels from United States. Las Vegas. That's great. Remember, guys, we are doing some dynamics for just want to know the countries, 5 minutes here, waiting the confirmation. Okay, Jamaica. Jose from, well, Jose habla español, pero vive en Texas, United States. Bangladesh. Pakistan. Yes, many people from Pakistan now. India. Nasdaq llegó al mismo máximo de hace 2 años. Sí, Nasdaq subió demasiado. Quería abrir una long en Nasdaq. Kenia, Africa, Morocco, Burkina Faso. I think Burkina Faso it's for, it's Africa, right? Too many budgets in Canada from India. Many people for, yes, many people in United States, in India, um, Canada, Jamaica. That's great, my friend. Bali. That's great. Bali, beautiful country. Burkina Faso. Sri Lanka. That's great. We have some people in the community from Sri Lanka. Going to sell from here. Let's see. Notado que eres tiene 50, 70 followers y se conecta más de 500. Sí, por lo general estábamos en 1000, 1500, pero bueno, tiempos difíciles, José, usted sabe. Entonces se conectan ahí los fijos, ¿verdad? Dash México. Hay unos que tienen 25. Sí, exacto. Uno más. Más followers, yo diría que es gente que hace es como comprar ahí followers y así, entonces, para dar una impresión. Mi amigo Das por México, perfecto. Sri Lanka, many people from Sri Lanka. So, Usman Malik for England, United Kingdom, Tajikistan, beautiful. Only one countries. My temperature is for minus 12. That's the price to live in Poland, in, in Europe. Qatar, beautiful. Greece from South Africa, sometimes bother to get your online streams, but happy to connect now, waiting for your signal. Last trader for the week, yes, exactly. For that reason, we have an extra patience. Forget um, a good entry. But yes, nice for South Africa. In Alberta is minus 27. Well, Alberta looks beautiful, in Canada, with many lakes and beautiful landscapes. So, well, guys, we got some retracement here. Okay, so looks like, well, it depends of the next seconds for see what happened. True, but in summer only. Yes, I want to be in Alberta one day. I'm from Costa Rica. I'm from Costa Rica, guys. Okay, 45, 50. Let's wait some retracement if we see some retracement. Let's see what happened. My friend is from Angola. Beautiful. Africa. Yeah, 600 people, less than 200 likes, guys. Help me with the likes. Remember, tomorrow we have some dynamics too for Bitcoin. Let's see what happened. Well, so entries for Bitcoin. I will try to take something. If you want to trade with Bitcoin too, you can use Cellium with this beautiful platform. Cellium give you the opportunity to trade with Bitcoin and the other pairs. Remember, we got the promotion for the first deposit. 500, 100% minimum deposit, 500, and you will receive the welcome bonus. It means your account will start with $1,000. Okay, so there's the link. I appreciate if you go check the information, check the broker, and if you like it, you can do it with no issues and work with me with exactly points with this beautiful platform here with no spikes, no gaps. So that's great. Se está creando un soporte en los 50.36, como lo ves, hermano. Sí, un poquito, pero bueno, es parte de. Tenemos aquí una. Vamos a ver si tengo el FIBO. ¿Dónde está el FIBO? Gambox, no, Gambox está aquí. I didn't save the. Okay. Okay. Yes. So this is the Gambox. So for that reason, we are having this these reactions there. Okay. So beautiful. Many people from different countries. Creo que un poco, sí, misma hora. Misma hora, Daniel. Yes, you can do it with no issues, but this by crypto. Most of the countries now it's by crypto. Okay, so just be clear of that. The deposit will be by crypto and the withdrawal will be by crypto. By my side, I prefer um, the instantly withdrawals than the wire transfers because most of the countries, if you do a withdrawal, it would take by your bank, it will take around 2 or 3 days. But the withdrawals with this with crypto is most of the time is instantly, so that's great. En su soporte antes de la noticia parece que levantaba bien, sí. Veremos, ok, estamos en retroceso. Y 65. Vamos. Retroceso. We need a good retracement. At least the 50-50. Elementos. Okay, the retracement is going up. Let me clear the possible entry. Gluck, I recommend the raw spread. Yes, the withdrawal is pretty simple, but it's by crypto again. Countries like Mexico, for example, they have the option for doing by the wire transfer, but again, I recommend always the crypto option. It's better than the just a simple. Okay, guys, we are testing the limit there, so let's be clear and let's try to. Let's try to be focused here. The order is provided now. Okay. So let's see. We want to take the 50, but well, the price is giving us a little reaction. Let's see if we can apply for some retracement. Good. The price is going up a little. $47. Okay, the position is open. Let's see what we have here for these positions. I need to open the second position here. Let's see what happened. Let me work with the 50, 48, that 56. Mhm. Let's see if it's 64. 15, 64. Mhm. Working into the TPS as fast as I can. Working into the TPS. That's TP2. Testing higher prices. Testing the 50, 55. We need to see a good reaction now. Testing the 50, 55. At this point, we need to see some reactions, some good reactions. Mm, Trying to give us some sellers trying to defend the point. Good. Mm. There now, the thing is, we got this. We need to break the point of entry if we want to continue. Ending now with the best pressure. Mm, no, let's wait. Testing, it will test the point of entry. So that will be great. Testing the 0.5. So there we need to continue in that point. Can we sell? You can sell there and take a better position than me. Just be clear. The stop loss is 50.64. Okay. Be clear of that. We need to pass the 50.48. Let's see. It will depend of the next 50 minutes. Right, still there. Speaking English, guys, remember. Okay, good. Arriving into the point of entry. Remember, use the correct lot size for your account. Use the correct information too, because nowadays it's difficult with the type of charts what we have, type of candles what we have. So please be clear of that. Okay, be clear of that, guys. I think it will hit at least 60, 62, then drop. mm, that's a possibility too. We already touched the one of the maximum points, 1 point of reaction, the 50, 55. um it did give us some reaction, but again we need to break this, the 0.5. That's really important. So, well, finally some green numbers. Let's see if we can continue with the pressure for the next 5 minutes. So, the TP1 it's for 100 pips. Momentum is bullish, yes. Momentum is bullish. We are doing other things, so let's see, testing the 5048. We need to pass that zone. We need to continue there in the next what? 8 minutes. Buenos días, Adrián Galeano. Hola, buenos días. Das clases. María Elena, sí. Bueno, clases específicamente no, pero en Discord todo es soporte y cualquier pregunta siempre estoy por ahí específicamente. Dando soporte y están los videos pregrabados dentro de Discord. So, well, testing again the 5048. The thing here is this is a point of reaction for buyers. So let's see if the sellers can continue with the pressure or not. It depends for the next 8 minutes. Test and go up. Exactly. For that reason, I marked the gun box, because at this point, buyers give us a difficult point for that reactions. Let's see what happens for your patience. Remember, use the correct lot size for your account. If you have, for example, $1,000, don't use 0.50 or something like this for the lot size. And well, just try to understand the market conditions is difficult, and this is the things what we have. Okay, things what we have, so we need to work with that. For the welcome bonus, remember it's directly with XELLION. Just go into the link and you will receive the information there. Boy, see, there is a link into the chat or into the description if you want to apply for that beautiful promotion. If you add 5,000 minimum 5,000 for receive the 100 welcome bonus. You will receive the Telegram as well. That means you will save $169. That's the price for the Telegram, and receive a welcome bonus for the 100% of your deposit. Okay, the price is trying, continue trying. This is the last 6 minutes, so important candles. We need to continue like this. Let's see what happened. No, it's 500. 500. 500. Not 5,000. My friend Nina, if you are using the link, you don't need the code, my friend. Just use the link. For that reason, I just shared the link. Just you need to use the link, and that's all. Okay, guys, still holding. 5 minutes. This is the last 5 minutes. Really important 5 minutes at this point. So let's see for something good. The pressure is hard. Still there into the 50-50. So well, remember we're into the sell position. The maximum stop is 50.64. No more than that. Be clear of that. And well, let's see. Now looking, the sellers trying to go back. The buyers trying to use this 0.5 as a point of reference for continue with the uptrend. Let's see. Your patience. Yes, the bonus is tradable. It's not for, you can withdraw all the bonus. That's, I think that's obviously, nice. The bonus is for take your trades and give try to get more entries and everything. But that's the reason of the bonus. But you can just go and withdraw all your bonus, just like this. Okay, the price trying to stay there. This is the last candle. At least it didn't give us that massive reaction. So still near to the 50-50. This is the last two candles. Buyers, sellers losing some pressure, but we need to stay there under the 50-55. And again, remember, use the correct lot size for your account, guys. That's the must on this type of charts. Some pressure. Let's see, some pressure. So well, it is stay there, giving us reactions, but not that hard. It's still defending the 50-55, so that's great. Let's see the name new candle. Probably with this new candle, we will clarify if we can continue or not. Okay. That's it. Testing the other highest price, 50-60. Mm, but not too much. It's breaking point. But we need to see something good in the next 2-3 candles. So well, price is trying to go back. 50-57. That's great. Mm-hmm. Try to stay in around that point. Mm-hmm. 50-60. Mm, looks really, really strong. Looks really, really strong. So be prepared. Maximum point 50-64. No more than that. No more than that, guys. So the point is there. Stop is here. No more than that, guys. So well, the stop loss hit. What happened there? Two, three candles, beautiful candles for buyers, not for us, of course. But yes, high volatility. So well, the stop is there. Not too much to do. Probably the price will try to break the sun. 6 4 minus 3. What a sessions in what a sessions in this is for Telegram. Okay, 100 304 minus 53. Okay, 26 30 151. So well, the reaction there was high. Let me check the position for these points. So at this moment we are looking like this. This moment we're looking like this. 50.59 was our point. The price touched there, give us some reactions, but well, the price will continue. So now the plan is, well, the plausible scenarios. It's something very close to 51, like this, 51, or just the price continue near to this point and it will change to the long position here, 50.64. So let's see what happened there. And we need to wait 20 minutes. So stop hit. So please don't hold positions, guys. Don't hold positions. Respect the stop loss. And that's all. We will try to recover it in the next hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes. It depends of that, okay? So well, this is the reaction. Some people is angry. Okay, guys, it's totally valid. No, it's not my construction trading is simple, not easy, but simple. Let me see. Let me see what happened. Uh, Mister myself, my friend, if you don't like it, I invite you, to get out of my channels. That's all. That's all. As simple as that. I know you are into the Telegram. I know probably you are into the Discord too. So if you know my work, if you don't like it, just get out of my channels. I really appreciate the unfollow. To be honest, as simple as that. Uh, no sell for gold news and Iran war alone is bullish. Okay, something for Iran. I didn't read nothing for Iran. Jesus, my friend, let's recover. Yes, we can recover. Okay, guys, power of trading exactly. For Angel Cruz, amigos, igual para usted, si no le gusta, simplemente me deja de seguir y ya está. De no la semana realmente estuvo bastante bien. Cuatro ganadas, tres stops. Y ayer pues se hizo un buen trading Nasdaq también, entonces parte de recuperar. By Monday, that low news will be take flight back up. Okay, perfect. So well, guys, this stop is there. Don't hold positions. Don't hold positions. I'm going to eat my breakfast and back. Okay, for clarify what happened with this sun. If the sun will continue active near to the 50-50, or we will see the new sun for buyers. It depends. Or if the price is going to 50-90, that's another option too. Hay que tener emociones, no hay emociones, mi amigo, todo bien. Excellent, perfect for Reese. María Elena, abrimos trade a la venta, esperamos, estamos esperando. Eso fue un stop hit, entonces vamos a esperar. No abrimos nada, exacto, no abrimos nada. Hay que seguir esperando, nada más. Eso es todo. Let me ask, when you get here, preparing the entry. I already explained why I took the sell. So if you want to go back, just go 10 minutes ago and then explain there why I took the sell. Mr. Myself, again, I don't care what you're saying. Just if you don't like it, just get out of my channels. Okay, so back, guys, in some minutes, in less than 50 minutes. So we'll get back because I know the people take advantage of that for takes and comments, and I'm going to explain again why I take the position. For this is for Mateo Cuesta, otro integrante. So, well, guys, I explained this as well. We got this accumulation there into the 1 hour candle. This is a volume position. This is a volume. So for that reason, I just choose the accumulation there. Take the 0.5, looking like a good reaction in the past for 2 or 3 weeks ago. Then the position takes here. It gives us the reaction into this candle. Then I wait the retracement around 50 52 near to this a little resistance there, let's say. For that reason, we open the trade there, and the position will be taken in 50-50. So, but well, as you can see, the price continue up. At this moment, it's breaking the sell zone. It's breaking the sell zone. So probably, if the price continue like this, I will change the sell zone as a volume buy zone. Okay? Something like this, for example. And then we will continue to this sell zone in 50.95. Okay? But it depends for the next 10 minutes. I came back early because I know the people take advantage for I'm not here. Full talk with pure shit. For that, that's why. That's why. So well, and that was for Mateo Cuesta. Su nombre es en español, básicamente, para que hable inglés. Entonces, hable español, mi amigo. T-Real lost me so much money, my friend. Again, use the proper lot size for your account. Use the proper lot size for your account. That's I always say them when we are same every week with this type of market. It's time to use the correct lot size for your account, guys. Khaled, the source part of the game, yes, it's part of it. Mm. Use one lot. If you use one lot, this must to you have at least 10,000. Bueno, 100K at least. Prut is here. Thanks, my friend, for your support. What are we waiting? We're waiting these 8 minutes for 8 minutes for see if the price gives us a reaction or just we have a new buy some. Let's see for the para mí es absolutamente ahora sí, Mateo. Estaba válido totalmente. Nos tocó el 50-52, dio un retroceso. Esperamos el retracement. No nos dio, pero bueno, es parte de. Parece que esta fue una taza con la verdadera alcista. Bueno, let's see. Let's wait these 6 minutes for clarify the next entry. I see you, my friend. I said the criticisms too. But again, I always say use the correct lot size for your account. For example, the real lose so much money. So why are you using um, high lot size if you can resist the lose? It's very simple. Today we got many news, tariff, CPI, and other news. So well, I don't take it. I don't know. I see you. I accept the criticisms too, but I'm not going to accept the insults. As simple as that. Guys, relax. Nothing is 100. Diego, deberías de descansar. No, es parte de. Se han tomado 6 trades, se han tomado 7 trades durante la semana y 8 trades se han tomado durante la semana y se han perdido 3. Así de simple. Se han ganado 5 y se han perdido 3. Es parte de. You made entry a bit early because you can see the 64 have been retested. Yes, I take the entry in 50-52 when I saw the reaction. Well, the retracement was in that moment was for around 20-30 pips. So well, it's part of it. The retracement, it's part of it. You made entry, okay, just perfect. Amigos, algunos se alteran, si se gana, se pierde, al final ganas, tiene que ser más que las pérdidas. Si eso no lo comprenden, no es para ustedes, exacto. David Quintero es la forma de. En Telegram aquí he propuesto 8 trades. 8 trades y se han perdido 3. Es parte de. Saka. No, trading is not a 100%. It's impossible. It's impossible to have the 100%. Exactly. Reach the lot size. I reduce the lot size according to the account. In the funded accounts, it's the same. Reducing. In my funded as well, most of the time I was using the 0.20. For today, I use the 0.5. 0.05. Mhm. Show me how short can we run. Okay, this is for Kenyan Live. I'm from Nairobi. Joined last week. For discount. Yeah, the discount was for this for St. Valentine. I didn't have it, but now I have some shorts. Can you run the discount for 2 more days? Well, if you want to contact me, it's by WhatsApp. As simple as that. Okay, guys, the position. Okay, we're here for the ones who are still interested to take another position. The that's the orders for like a resistance. Okay, resistance on. So well, now we have volumes there in 50, 55. So let's see. Tanto laburo, tan poca plata. Mhm, 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 mhm. Okay, I'm here. We need to wait the retracement. So let's see what happened there. Gold down. Yes, that was I was thinking for that for the news today. But well, the news give us that reactions for continue with the uptrend. So probably it will continue ignoring all the ignoring all the positions for the corrections and everything. So, well, just let's wait. We will try to use the new buy some generator for the this candle. The sell zone was taken, and that's all. Any trade, any trade. I'm just waiting, guys. The retracement again. The ones who like it. If you don't like it, again, don't take it. And that's as simple as that. Exactly, Lewis. Exactly. I have many examples, for people who went in my community and then they tried to did the same, and they understand how difficult it's being here. They understand how difficult it is to take the trades. They understand how difficult it is to show your losses in front of many people. They understand how difficult it's to provide a decent service for signals, and they understand how difficult it's trading. So, yes, if you think you're better than me, try to do it. YouTube have many, many, many space for every trade in the world, every trader in the world. So I invite you, if you feel better, if you think you have a better strategy, if you feel have better control of the emotions, if you think you have all that stuff. So yes, yesterday for example was the same. I lose for around $400. I just sit myself and then I take some recover. And well, it's difficult. It's something what the people don't understand. Just um, just again, same as Lewis has proposed, you like open a channels, open a positions. Again, I have many moods for. Well, Lewis is, I think Lewis was is my favorite mood. I have many moods here in the past, trying to do the same. Um, Now they know it's difficult. I remember this one guy, one guy for I think it's Memo trading strategies. I think. Let me check. I think he's not into the YouTube anymore. Or yes. Mhm. Now it's Memo concept. I think he was the only one who tried to have some a little successful, in trading. Um, and it was the same. He said the same. Like I'm going to open my channel. I'm going to copy you what you are doing. Um, and well, he start this his projects in around around 2 years ago or something, 1 year and some months ago, and he had some successful, like 6,000 subscribers. Um, well, but it's not compare, it's not compare them. It's not it's not easy. That's the thing. He tries so hard. He tries so hard, trying to do the same as me. But always, if you're going to try to do the same as me, in 1 year, I was in a 50,000 subscribers in 1 year. It's difficult, It's difficult, but I'd invite you if you feel better, if you have better knowledge than me, just go. You do have a space for anyone. I already show you an example, guys. I already show you an example to the one guy who feel better than me and try to do the same things. Um, that was the results for the 1 year. 1 year for the efforts, So it's difficult. That's the way. It's um, it's really really difficult, guys. We went against the trend. At this moment, it didn't look like the died against, for that candle and the some reactions. But well, this moment, just we need to wait the um, the points around 50.75 is the other point of reaction. So let's see if we can apply something there. We have time today, so at least I'm going to stay here 1 hour and a half. For try to recover this, I need to recover for around $400. So yes, $100 here and the other two accounts. For the funder accounts, remember again, I almost forget the promotion for the prompt free match. Remember, if you want to be part of the community for promptfreematch.com, there you will see a really good options for many discounts, many options for clarify your positions. There is the best option. All the accounts listed there, well, all the companies listed there still paying with no problems. So I invite you to take advantage of the codes if you click into the link. Okay, perfect. So let me see. I'm gonna open a loan. Okay, open your loan, my friend. Open your loan. I have $250. I want to trade and selling with your code. I will get the 100% welcome bonus. Um, if you use the link, remember, guys, first, if you use the link, you don't need the code, guys. That's the first thing. That's the first thing. You don't need the link. Sorry, you don't link. You don't link. You don't need the code if you use the link. Just the only if you use the link. That's all. What do you think about my decision? Open your loan, my friend. Open your loan. Lorito, is this an evolution of yours? No, this is the account. This is your live account. $10,000 by my side. I don't know why, but some people thinks like I'm poor or something like that. But well, But no, no, not poor, guys. Trading is very good business, but you need to understand we will lose money. We will have really bad moments and really good moments this week. By in my by my side, this point of this week is beautiful. You know, 8 trades, 3 losses. That's okay, but for the people, never is enough, and I understand that. For the even for the people into the Telegram, never is enough. Um, I'm trying to clarify the positions and everything, but well, this is the reactions at this moment. We are just waiting the some retracement. And well, your selling account has a really good spread. Yes, it's a raw spread. This raw account, raw account, same as the others. Yes, the spread is pretty nice. Can we go long, Lorito? It doesn't look like going short. Nope. At this moment, we're waiting, my friend. Waiting what? The retracement. As you can see, the price touched the near to the resistance zone. So, well, let's see what happened. But yes, the people prefer, like for NDAD, like this type of um, ads in YouTube or in Instagram. Like people winning too much money and everything. So I know the people enjoy that. I know the people enjoy that. Um, well, by my side, I show you my losses and I try to be clear with the information and everything. But that is not enough. That is not enough for the people I know. That is not and that is not good. Lose is not good for everything. For everything. And well, that thing happens. Let's continue. The ones who trust in my work, beautiful. The ones who don't like my work, just go into the to other channels. Probably other channels will give you better profits or that type of things. How can I copy trade automatic? Some people into the Telegram use automated systems, but I'm not sure. The that systems copy the information into the Telegram and pass it into the mm, trading view. So Cancún. But I don't know the name of the programs, to be honest, guys. So be clear of that. Understand the copy the automated trade. Sometimes it's not the best option, but it depends of yourself. You know, like if you like it or not, that depends of you. Okay, so be clear of that. Guys, I made a terrible mistake 2 days ago. I short at 49.18. Will I go back to my entry next week? Thanks for the advance. My friend, if we don't go back to this, to the news for today about the tariff and everything, probably um, it will be difficult to go back to 49.18 this week or the next week. But it depends. Probably we will back to the 49, but probably not the next week. Hope you can have an AAM account for. We can just follow automatically. File X. I'm working with that with the Cellium. We will do that, but the account is not list. I need to first. They need to see some good results, and then probably they will give me the opportunity for have the um, to follow the trades and mix all the accounts with my main account. So well, Strom, thanks my friend Denny. That's great. Thanks for your support. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Mm. I really hope it go back to my Android, but extremely grateful it hits the 90 4960. Well, today we touched the 4990. Possible we can see the 60 or the 70. That's a possibility, but you need to take care of that. But well, guys, it will test the bison. So what happened here? The bison here. We need to wait the confirmation, guys. Okay. So where's my there? We need to wait the confirmation. There, counter trends. Thanks for the advice. Helps a lot. Perfect. Bro price is at the buy stop. Again, guys, remember, I'm not taking positions like this. Here, for example, just to be clear, we are working this volume by some. This is a volume by some. Here, we need to clarify the confirmation. Okay, so let's expect something good there, and let's see what happens. If you want to take the different trade, you can do it. If you want to open a long position now, you can do it. It's your decisions. Okay, I think it's going past by some of the eras RC. Okay, that's a possibility too. To get a reaction here on 40, 40, 50, 45. My balance is 1000, but since I'm floating around 150, I think I just hold to the price drops. This is a good decision. Never is a good decision to hold the short positions, but that's your decisions. You already take your decision. But again, never, never, never in your life it's a good idea to hold a short position. 98% of the time, hold a short position for a long term. Long term will destroy your account. Always be clear of that. I know that some people don't take care of that type of advices, but that's the reality, guys. Okay. So well, remember, if you want to be part of the community to the perform match, if you want to test your knowledge with a challenge and get a really good discount, just go into the performmatch.com. There you will see a really good options on all the companies there are listed there. Still paying with not too much issues. Just go there and try to clarify your what is the best option for you. Instant funding, phase two, phase three. It depends of you. Okay, guys. So just go there and try to clarify your positions. Okay. I'm trying to open a sale and trying out with just referral code, but there's no showing issue. No user exists, my friend. Argum. Again, if you are using the link, you don't need the referral code. Okay, so just be clear of that. As simple as that. Remember, guys. Now we are waiting. Now we are waiting. Con todo el corazón. Sorry, guys. Okay, still waiting there. Still waiting there. 2 minutes. Looks like shooting star. Sorry, pin bar reaction. Looks like a beautiful pin bar reaction, guys. That's the buy level. So time. We're back into the south sum. We missed the trade. Mm, let's see. Again. Again. Guys, your patience. It was a beautiful confirmation into the sun. Mr. Donald Trump is into the chat. Well, the price touched the buy sum and give us a reaction and give us the confirmation. Anyway, guys, so Trump says very mad. Mr. President, I'm tired of winning. Yes, that's my favorite video about Donald Trump. Mr. President, I'm tired of winning. Stop winning, it's too much. That's my favorite video about Donald Trump. It's my favorite one. Okay, it was a beautiful point. 50-55, give us the confirmation. Now, unfortunately, we saw um, three candles for around 100 pips. Well, mhm. Are you a Trump supporter? I think it's Trump. Uh, I'm not supporter, of Donald Trump. I like the way who he controls his ideas. He is a guy who do things. If he says something, most of the time he's going to that thing will happen. But to be honest, at this moment, as the market conditions change, my strategy change. All the charts change. All time heights in the first 2 months of the year. I prefer Biden. I prefer a guy like Biden. Like doing nothing and stay quiet. Markets really quiet. Um, in the last 2 years, I came here really happy. I just opened a position. It was probably I will win 10 trades in a week with no too much issues. But well, the market conditions change. We have to deal with that. But if you ask me what I prefer, one guy like Biden, Biden didn't do nothing, just stay there living the life of president, and that's all. But Donald Trump move every week, doing things, proposing things, trying to change things, trying to save the world, and try to fix many things. Bad things or good things. Um, that's okay. I would say that's okay. Um, but I'm pretty sure of something. I'm not, that video about that I'm tired of I'm tired of winning. Not apply for the traders as us guys. Apply for other type of investors like have a multimillionaires. No, like us guys. So, well, I'm tired of winning. I'm tired of winning, Mr. President. I'm tired of winning. Beautiful video. Me gusta tu estilo que das consejos, pero respeta las acciones que dan los demás. Sí, o sea, yo les recomiendo lo mejor, pero cada quien toma sus acciones, ¿verdad? Como dijo Benito Juárez, el respeto al derecho ajeno es la paz. Exactamente. Eh, y es algo que dice, se trabaja con los años también. Hay mucha gente que no le gusta. Si no le gusta, deje de seguirme y listo. ¿Verdad? A los que les gusta, que es la mayoría, pues sí trabajamos juntos y demás. Pero sí es parte de. Es parte de. Trump will do press conference about the tariff. Jesus Christ. Come on. 31, mi amigo. 6 años de trading. Empecé a los 25. Jesus. So, well, thanks for the information, guys. I didn't know Trump is going to talk. In 10 minutes. Are you Muslim? No, my friend. I'm Muslim. I'm from Costa Rica. Uh, it's not very common to see a Costa Rican being Muslim, to be honest. We don't share the customs and the rules for the Muslim people. It's totally different. For example, we really enjoy, the parties. We enjoy the parties, the beers. We really enjoy the beers. We really enjoy the parties. Um, Something what is really beautiful and I really enjoy it. Nowadays, it's not like this, but because of my daughter. But I really enjoy, go to the in front of the beach, with a cold beer, with a cigarette, seeing the landscape for the sunset. That's beautiful. I think that's the best feeling. Just go there, see it in front of the beach, relax with a really cold beer, with your cigarette, with some money in your wallet. That's the life, I think. You know. Fibonacci, my friend, pura vida lifestyle. I went for 3 months Jaco vacation. That's beautiful, my friend. The sunsets in Jaco that are beautiful. Are beautiful. ¿Qué cerveza tomas? Pilsen. Pilsen or Imperial, that's the name of the beers in Costa Rica. Pilsen, Imperial. When market is trend and it comes your son, I didn't buy. It was an opportunity. Yes, because it was too fast. I was waiting the confirmation, my friend. So this is the confirmation. Cam. This pin bar is the confirmation. Now the only thing what we need to do is wait the retracement. The problem what we have, Donald Trump. Yes, I have a daughter. Chris Skin. Well, I believe in God. I don't care if you believe in God or Allah or other religions, Buddha, for example. But I'm not saying I'm going to have a specific religion. I would say the only thing what you need to do is trying to be a good person. Try to be honest. Um, Try to be happy with your family. Respect the others, and that's all. You don't need too much to be a good people. You don't need a religion for be a good people. Most of the people, some people who insult me into the chat if I go into the channels from them. Some people sharing videos about Jesus, about Allah, or well, other gods. Well, they came here and insult me. So that's the that's the only thing for be a good people. You don't need a religion. Just if everyone trusts in like the only thing what we need is be a good people, be a good person. Probably the war would be better. Could be better. And that's it. you know I've ever seen that before. I'm tired of winning. Come on, Lewis, that's a classic. It's a classic Trump video. I already married, and I have a family. Well, my goal for this year is buy a house in a beach, near to the beach at least, because here it's different. Nah, we have too many gringos, to be honest. We have too many gringos. Um, for that reason, the prices of the houses near to the beach is too expensive. Thanks for the gringos. I appreciate them and I like the gringos, but thanks for that reason, the Costa Rican people, it's difficult to buy a house near to the beach. My dream is to buy a house uh, this year in front of the coast. It's difficult in front of the coast. Is half of the $1 million, $1 million, a tiny house, you know. But you can find good houses with a good view for around 30 minutes to the beach, or 40 minutes to the beach for around um, 250K dollars near to the beach. So that's totally valid, and it's not that much. How much does the okay? Yes, now we will see crazy things now, guys. Yeah, and I'm planning my first car. Perfect, Jesus, that's beautiful. That's great, my friend. Sure, I chef that cousin joined late last year, and someone said the whole year you had made him $30. So I'm confident. Many people win really good money in the Telegram, but they have a different strategies, and sometimes they hold positions, and sometimes they resist. They have a different point of view. Um. So well, I understand. I understand. I understand. We have a difficult times, but if you try to follow the instructions, you can recover um, many money there. Many money there. It's the only thing what I request is follow instructions, follow the break evens. Nowadays, it's totally valid if you close the full position in TP1. That's okay, or hold positions. That is different. The strategy changed too much thanks to Donald Trump. But well, that's my goal today. Well, this year, let's see if I have the opportunity to at least buy some properties. Well, let's see what happens. One of my other businesses it's the real estate, so I know something about how to get a good deal for for obtaining a good price. Mano Kurashi. Well, that's expensive. 250 here for some people it's expensive. By my side nowadays looks like okay. Um, but for other people, $1 million is nothing. It's nothing. For other people, $10 million is nothing. It depends of your point of view. Here I would say we are in the same page. Like uh here I would say like we are in the same page, like thinking like um I don't know, like $50,000 is too much. For me it's just too much, and you can live 1 year entire 1 year with $50,000, for example. But well, it depends of your country, it depends of your point of view and everything. I want to touch my first billion million next year. Let's get it, my friend. I will pray for that, and if I can help you, I'm going to be here. Helps. Are you married? Yes, I'm married. Is Laurito wins your business? Laurito wines, like the drinks, or what? Jesus. Mm. But it's not Laurito's. Well, but then that is not my business. No. Porque decía, sí. Carlos Cano, más que bienvenido, mi amigo. Trade, trade is still waiting. Laurito Wines, yes. That's not, that's not me. 30K is enough for 1 year to me. 30K is enough for most of the people, 35K is enough for most of the people. We have a different point of view. Um, Example, we have here many people from Dubai, they are okay to see a Lambo in every corner, you know. Uh, Here it's different in Costa Rica. You will see a normal cars like um, Toyotas or Hyundai or something like this. Same situation in India, I think. Oh my, oh my 30K, and then looking for a thing here. Yes, it's difficult, and it was a beautiful point of entry. If we continue, but well, guys, let's see. We have if Donald Trump is now or not. Trump is now or not, guys. Still didn't start. Okay, so for that reason, the price is going up. But yes, the it depends. Many people have a different goals. My goal this year was uh have another house. I already have my house here, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I mean, it's not my dream. It's not to have like a luxury house or something. It just stay there into the beach, near to the beach. Something like I'm going to take my car, and in 30 minutes I'm going to be in a beautiful place. I'm living here in a beautiful place, but it's pretty cold by my pretty cold, like 16, 17 degrees. I know for some people it's not too much, but yes, here in Costa Rica, many options, many options. And beautiful options, you know. Can retrace the 5083? Probably yes. I think 80, I think 90, 50, 90, 50, 90. Have you been to Africa? No, never. Never. But I want to show you some examples, you know, like for example, this is like 65 millions of colones. That means 130, 130, 130,000. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good, pretty close to the beach, surrounded by the nature. Pretty good. Something like this is not that expensive, you know. Then, if you want to buy a new house, you open a new house, something like this too, like a normal houses. But this is massive, you know. This property is massive. So, but yes, or near to the river, near to something like this. That's beautiful. But yes, you know, like different different conditions. You have the dry coast. Yes, not that expensive here in my country. But if you want to find um, for example, really close to the beach, for example, this one looks beautiful. You know, near to the forest and to the forest to the river, and it's less than land half of $1 million with a nice property. That's great. But yes, there's something like this to the view with the volcano. This is something what I like, you know, like a house here near to the volcano, seeing the beautiful view. Just doing this streaming with this beautiful view, that would be awesome. And the price is not that high, you know. It's like half of $1 million. Well, that's a little high. But yes, many options, many options here. So that's my goal today. I was just want to share, you know, the for example, this one. This one looks like pretty good too. nice. Normal house. You can change it if you want, Normal house, but it's just $90,000. That's great. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Yes, we can have a house for the $90,000. So that's great. For example, something like this, like a house with the lake. That would be awesome. And the price for something like this, uh, 300, 300, 30,000 dollars. Not that much. You will have your lake. You will have your lake and everything. Yes. So well, that's the prices here. How safety? How is the safety? No cartels? No, we don't have cartels. Um, and we are a very safe place. I think we are the safety place in Latin America, in Central America. Yeah, it's a lot of land. There was a lot of land. Tengo entendido que en Costa Rica usan el dólar, ¿no? Usamos el colón. El colón. Our coin is the colón. Pero qué dura. Hay una pregunta técnica. La cobertura de pérdidas es legal. Veo que muchos critican y dicen que puedes tener problemas, pero el broker te da la opción de hacerlo. ¿Podrías dar la luz con eso, bro? La cobertura técnica, la verdad, no. Ningún broker le va a devolver nada. Ninguno. Carlos Cano. Téngalo por seguro. Sí, voy. Eso téngalo muy claro, Carlos. No, no hay ninguna cobertura por ahí. So I'll be back, guys, in 5 minutes. Okay, really good price for a house like this. Yes, it's very good. In Togo, we found a small apartment for this. Who's playing exactly? For example, the people in the United States, uh, they bought a house for um $100,000, and it's a really small with no green, with no trees, nothing. I don't like this type of apartments or something like that. Pacific Green Fireware places submitted by the Beneath Caribbean Plate, Caribbean frequency volcanic activity. Yes, we have a lot of volcanoes. Not that massive, not that massive like other countries, but we have volcanoes here. Pretty good. You're never going to pass situations like in Hawaii or something like this. Welcome to the buy some, my friend. Now the market conditions. I'm going to stay here as much as I can for expecting Donald Trump will end soon. But let's see. At this moment, just wait. The most famous volcano in Costa Rica is Arenal Volcano. Yes, that's the most famous one. And La Fortuna. There's a deeper hands. Yes, a gambler zone, exactly. When we take a trade, waiting, my friend. The thing is, I think we are into the with Donald Trump. So Donald Trump. So let's see what we have with Donald Trump. Even he's not talking at this point. He's late. Mm. So we are waiting, guys. We're waiting to Donald Trump. It's supposed it's going to be now. You know. Anyone wants to trade together? No, my friend. At this point, it's too dangerous for because we are waiting again the Donald Trump. Remember, if you want to be part of the community, you can be. Just contact me by WhatsApp. It's a lifetime subscription for $169. Normal week. Normal week. 8 trades. Three stop loss. That's totally okay. I closed it. I've been to Costa Rica. It's Cuba. No, Cuba's different. Costa Rica. Um, Cuba have a. I don't know how to say like in Venezuela, but I don't remember the name in English. Can you please give me a capital to trade? No. Larito top. I think Trump is placing his trades before his speech. It's supposed to be down, yes. Can you please give me capital? No. Get out of here. Communist, communism. Yes, exactly. Yeah, it's good with communism. Oh, my own skull, perfect, my friend Flash. Try to set your B. Don't take too much positions there. Still there. People is waiting. Nothing. That's the idea, you know. That's the idea to get some trades. Not too much time left to trade after a stop loss. Yes. Well, nothing is happening at this moment. Waiting for Donald Trump. We have time. We have 3 hours at least for the market close. So well, mhm. My view, it's the price will fall or go up to 50.90. So well, guys, remember, if you want to be part of the community too, the other option is with Celium. If you want to use this beautiful platform, just go into the link, create an account, do the KYC. The Telegram access will be provided if you share me the deposit for at least $500. Para los que hablan español, igual si abren la cuenta, igual, pero no son todos los 500, mínimo son 100. Pero bueno, hay apoyarnos entre todos, apoyar un poco más a la comunidad que habla español. Siento que al final son un poco más agradecidos. Y así que bueno, los que abran ahí en Celium y hacen el depósito, me envían. Y bueno, se ahorran lo del Telegram, que son $169. And that's it. Ahorita me queda, ok. Ahorita me queda una duda. Carlos, porque a los brokers no les importa, la verdad. Al final, muy probablemente la persona que haga eso vaya a cerrar las operaciones en cero y vaya a abrir otra operación y le quede todo pues bastante mal y listo, se perdió la ganancia y ya está. De ahí en fuera tienen que eh, da igual, o sea, lo que les importa es básicamente que depositemos, ya, listo. Por ejemplo, yo deposité los 10 aquí y ya de ahí voy negativo, ¿verdad? Todo eso es para ellos. Entonces, la mayoría de lo hacen así, ¿verdad? No, no es un negocio, simplemente se les da. Por la falta de conocimiento, se abren dos posiciones a la vez, se pierden las dos posiciones y listo. Eso es todo. Es un negocio. Los negocios funcionan así. eh, Dependen de los clientes. Uno o dos buenos clientes a unos 100 malos. 100 malos me refiero a 100 malos traders. Y con uno o dos que saquen ganancia, este, de ahí ya tienen todo, digamos, presupuestado, ¿verdad? Entonces es parte de las condiciones que tenemos que seguir. No es fácil. Si fuera fácil, todos lo harían. Así que bueno, es parte de. ¿La puedo abrir desde Suiza? Sí, puedo abrirla desde Suiza sin problema. Ahí está el link. Y me envían. Eso sí, recuerden que en la mayoría de países está el depósito por cripto, no directamente por tarjeta. Okay. We have a lot of words in common, Laurito. Where are you from? From Brazil, Portugal, or something like this? Gold now it's naughty today. Yes, that's so painful, you know. I really trust, like in the for the news, for the tariff and everything, we will see the price go back. You know. But well, it didn't happen. We have a lot of words in common, Philippines. So, do you speak French or what? Philippines or English or Philippines? I don't know. Any trades from Nasdaq? But I was trying to take any position in Nasdaq today, but unfortunately, it was impossible. To take it. Pretty difficult. By yourself, live, my friend. Thanks for being here. Sorry for the um, sorry for the trade today. I will try to recover if we can do something now. We're going to wait 30 minutes more for clarify. Mhm. I lost $500. Yes, me too. I lose $400. Uh, Nitix. Gracias, con gusto, Carlos, un placer. Let's see the bids. No playing, remaining money, win less margin. Maybe because we are both colonized by Spain. Yes, Nasdaq is starting tense, volatility, then come down. Exactly. I'm trying to do something with Nasdaq, but yes, it was go with a 300, 400 pips in positive or an uptrend. Now it's going back, um, giving some buy zones. So let's see. But I think Nasdaq will it's going to go back to the first point around 24,767. Myself running 100 picks, beautiful, my friend. That's great. Maybe could was colonized by Spain. Probably yes. Beans, but you have the Philippines. I already checked the Philippines. Que estoy como quería. Mm-hmm. Que no amanezca como quería. So well, Donald Trump is now. He is sad. He is sad because the of decision. He is anti-patriot, and unloyal. I don't know if that's the word, unloyal. So I'm trying to clarify this information. Well, he's angry. He's angry. He's angry. Um, he's saying he's tired of winning, so for that reason, he's okay with the decision. Let's make America great again. He said. And el down, he's talking about Dow Jones, the SP. It's going back. The price is going back. Let's see the reactions there. Remember, we are not taking any position because Donald Trump is talking. Buy some testing again. He's talking about pure things what I don't understand. So, so yes, if I don't understand, yeah, I don't. Probably many people here don't understand too, as well. You know. So let's talk. Just let's talk. We don't have the copyright because of the. For that reason, I'm having this like this. You know, like just Trump, just Trump. No channels, no nothing. Just Donald Trump. But yes, the copyright. If I share, the information, probably the copyright will liquidate myself. Will cancel. Sorry, will cancel the stream. He looks very with gray hair, more presidential. Yes, for sure. I'm showing like this because of the copyright. Again, I can't just present Donald Trump as well. Hmm. What is the sun prediction? Well, the sun again give us this. So well, the buy some give us a beautiful reaction again. Jesus Christ. How do you determine the buy some? I already explained this around 1 hour ago. So just try to go there. And well, Jesus Christ. Let's coming back here. Why you didn't open the tray with me a good setup to Chamet? Because Donald Trump is talking. That's all. Because Donald Trump is talking. And we didn't open any position because of the high volatility. We're waiting for the price to get back. So the price is falling, the price is going up. He's saying he's going to fight with that decision. He's going to fight with a different, in a different way, taking a different decisions, and telling the people who work in that court, assholes and stupids. So he wants to take more money for the tariff. He's saying it's really bad for United States, and the decision is really bad, and everything, and that type of things. You know, so basically, Donald Trump wants to fight with the decision. He will take another ideas different than the cancel the tariff. So he's saying it's too difficult to explain, guys. He's saying like he will fight with that decision. That means he's going to do the opposite for the decision. Okay, so if he said something like, "Yes, I accept the decision of the court. I'm going to respect the deal. Whatever, the price will fall." But no, he wants to fight. He wants to do different things. He wants to, I don't know what plans he have. So it generate expectations. For that reason, the price is going up. That's a brief explanation, something what I understand. Remember, I'm not an expert in news related of Donald Trump. But it's a simple resume about this. He's going to he's going to he's going to impose 10% for tariff for the whole world. Um, Jesus Christ! So well, guys, to be honest, I really want to do something. I really want to take something. But yes, Donald Trump is not the. It's not a. So 10% for gold. It's too much. Um, so this is my face listening to Donald Trump. So well, now it's unnecessary to stay here. He's going to continue talking. So remember, guys, if you want to be part of the community, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's a $169 lifetime subscription. For this week, we did 8 trades, 3 stop loss, unfortunately, but the rest was pretty decent. Okay. Um, and well, remember, if you want to receive more entries, trade Bitcoin, trade Nasdaq, trade Dow Jones, or just learn the strategy by on Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's a $169. Okay. See you soon. Remember, if you want again work with this beautiful environment, just go into this beautiful market here with Cellium. There is a promotion. There is a link. 100% welcome bonus. If you share me the confirmation for you did the charge the account, I will give you the Telegram access. Okay. So see you soon, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for understand. This is trading and this is difficult. Most of the time, we will find good positions. Sometimes we will find bad positions. Okay. So thanks for everything. Thanks for the support, guys. I appreciate everyone here. I appreciate. Y Marielena sería, si, a ver, si le dan 500, si la abre con 500, se le dan otros 500 y yo le doy el Telegram que tiene un costo de $169. Muy bien, ese sería el proceso. Simplemente me pasas la confirmación por WhatsApp, ahí está el link y listo. Okay. Eso es Marielena. Y ahí estaría la información. Muy bien. De mi parte, pues un gusto. Gracias a los que hablan español, gracias a los que entienden también de que todo es un proceso y que hay que tener paciencia. Les deseo un buen fin de semana. I expect a really good weekend for you guys. Thanks for everything. Enjoy the weekend and see you tomorrow with the Bitcoin guys. Bitcoin session. See you soon.